right down the middle. Yeah, I know, I'm walking in it. Some people kind of freak on that a little bit. Oh, it's just me again. With the bad knee, that's so fun. Not. Elder care facility, it needs a vacuuming. I'm trying a new lens. Let's see if it can keep up here. I think it's nylon, that's great. I think I need some fresh air too. Oh no, come on. Oh, good grief, eat your Wheaties, Mark. Fresh. Hey everybody, welcome to Saigers Steam Cleaning, welcome to the channel. Glad you're here. We've got a elder care facility. We're gonna clean carpets in. Brady is on the other side. Aaron is in a dentist chair. Lucky guy. Getting a crown put on, so busted too. Well, right off the bat, we're pulling. Would you look at all these ladybugs? Well, excuse me, Asian beetles, if we're being technical. Well, they're gone. That wasn't much of a challenge, thank goodness. Piece of cake. Wow, did I get some soils. Let me show you. I didn't expect that much. Look, here's the back, usually gets more. Now that was some good eating. Let's get pre-spraying it, let's get cleaning for you. This is Saigers Sauce 1, our original blue formula. It's gonna do just fine on this carpet here today. It smells really nice. It's lemon citrus type smell, scent. Yeah, I know, I'm walking in it. Some people kind of freak on that a little bit. Hey, gotta get down here, load up. See, by doing this, you're not spraying on your hose. Your hose is behind you and in control. Otherwise, you gotta be pulling your hose back as you're spraying all the time. It's a real pain in the tush. We gotta walk in this pre-spray anyway. It's not toxic, it's not harmful, it's not a problem. Unless you're dirt, then you're gonna have a problem. We're gonna pound on you. Okay, I love my CRB, counter-rotating brush, and I use a 10-inch the most because it's easiest to carry in, carry out, carry in the back of the van with everything I have. But I have people who've reached out to me saying, Mark, I don't have anything for agitation. And what can I do? Well, here's what you can do. So this is a rake groomer, grande groomer, two-headed, this one here, Medusa. But even with the new handle on it after 9 years, All you need to do is use this for agitation too. So this here will just help drive the pre-spray down into the fibers and agitate if need be. But also, I have people who are in a position they just can't take the time to agitate due to maybe how they operate their business on financial. So with that in mind, Sager Sauce 1 should be able to handle it with just a pre-spray, a little dwell time. The dwell time is me getting the hoses set up, shutting up, and going. Okay, here we go. All right, where's the end? Is this the correct way? Oh, gotta flip it. There we go. A closet. Here we go. Oh. Hey, it's not going so bad. Ah, God. Okay. Let's get skinny. Wow. This is loaded with bombs in here. Well, surprises, not bombs. Don't send in the tobacco and firearms division. We're fine. Tight. Bunch of bleach spots in here. I did not do that, okay? Just so you know. If you would have been here, I'd be pointing those out to you first before I even pre-sprayed it. Just so you know. What's that? Oh, that's gone. I'll knock you over if I'm not careful here. Sorry. Getting just a little too crowded for the both of us in here. I'll be right back. Right down the middle. I don't know if you can see this greenish hue in here. Let me see if I can get it on camera. Kind of a light greenish hue in there. Not sure if the camera's going to pick it up. But again, that's whatever product over the counter they used, and it changed the color of the carpet. That's not what we did. Get in there. This is a pathway area. You can just see it needs at least another cleaning pass, typically is what I'll do. And I'm slowing down my cleaning passes. Again, I see what's in the sight glass a little bit, not too bad, but I also watch how this is responding. Keep in mind, this is a pretty high performance one. It's got an 8 flow, we call it, which is 4 O2 jets, so times 4 times 2 is 8. And the recovery with a wide slot on it and the suction behind it with the butler just does incredible. And of course, dry passes. So this carpet is not super soiled, but you know what I drug out of it for soils with the dry vacuuming was impressive. So I'm addressing a lot of stuff lately on the internet, but when you put yourself out there, what you run into. So yeah, we have our own chemistry line. This is Saigers Sauce 1, my original. And there's others out there touting how their chemistry is great and the best. Well, my thing is, I say to them, and if you've seen some of my other videos, we don't always clean carpets. Are they out there? Do you see them out there cleaning with those products? Or do they just talk about it? Huh? Are they showing you weekly cleaning? No. I've not seen it, and I see the channels. So, my point is, do you see them cleaning with the product? Are they showing the product? I'm not out there talking about my product a ton and like this and that. It's all Saigers sauce and it's all this. I show you in the videos, and I hope I'm not overdoing it, where you can see how we clean with the products daily. There's no smoke and mirrors. This is what we use, and this is what works for us. Sure, knock it over. I hate these things. They are the worst. Great. Now you're gonna stay hooked. You are so cantankerous. There. Just don't touch it, we'll be fine. Back to your regular programming. Just some old guy cleaning carpet. So we're using our Saigers Deep Blue all-purpose, all-fiber rinse in here. It's a 4.7 pH with a little bit of cleanability. So it's going to help neutralize and help you with your cleaning power. Now the other part about it is rinses don't entirely just on contact neutralize out stuff. What it does, but how it does is it conditions the water so the water will work better to go out and push out the suspended soils and your chemistry. So again, that's the neutralizing, and it's working that way. So, but it's not like, bam, okay, you're done, Magic Houdini. But it does work. It's really great. It makes the carpet softer. It taps into the color dye a lot to make it brighter. It's a wonderful product. We sell a lot. We really do like it. It smells nice in the bottle. Hardly any scent when you're using it. Turned out so good. Okay. So people have asked me, do I need to use a rinse with your product, Mark? Well, you don't. Not everybody does. But we like a rinse, just to be honest. Not just to sell you another product, but again, for all the benefits I just mentioned, softer carpet, brighter, just cleans better. Doesn't leave a residue behind itself. It's just, we like a rinse. It just really does help us. And we can kind of notice a difference in cleaning no matter what chemistry we use and whose chemistry we use, the rinse does help. So from there, you have to decide, is it right for you? Got to do that side room over there, but wow, that looks amazing. That's nylon, people. Please, manufacturers, start making nylon more, okay? None of this poly. This is amazing. Well, everybody, again, thanks for being here, checking out the channel. Maybe give us a comment if you would, and a thumbs up like, just helps, again, get these videos going out further. We really appreciate you being here. If you're brand new, maybe consider subscribing. Would love to see you back again. It's starting to rain out there, so story of my life. I'm gonna wrap up and not bring out the expensive camera gear this time. So maybe we can save a little money rather than spend so much. So anyway, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Where's my rake? Or groomer, old school rake. Gotta finish up this room. See y'all soon, bye. Oh, look, Mark, left a window open. I gotta cross there now. It was looking so good too. Gotcha. Arm poke. Come on. All right. I know. I know. You've hardly seen me at all, have you? Come on, let's go then. Come on, let's go, Luna Petunia. Ah, girl. Ah, girl. Come on. Oh, I know. Oh my goodness. Traumatic day. It's been a tough day. Come on. Let's go. Hi, sweetheart. Yes. Such a good little girl. All right, is it time for dinner? Come on. Let's go get some dinner. Even Tuck Tuck is waiting for dinner. Look at. Hey, come on. Let's go. Grandkid handprints all over the windows again. Think we never cleaned. Hi, Tucker. Hi. Oh, yes. You want to say bye to everybody? Say bye. 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 All right. Take care, everyone. See you in the next one. What? 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 Okay. I guess you get to say bye, too. Okay. You too? Okay. Thanks, Tucker. Bye.